Hello, my name is Mike Glenn, and today I'll be showing you how to set up your canister system. To start with, your canister system should consist of a canister, a hose, a gun, and the only extra equipment you'll need today is a wrench. First, attach the smaller end of the hose to the canister, turning it clockwise, and make sure it's snug it up with the wrench. Next, you take the gun and attach the tip by putting it on the end and attaching the collar. Again, you'll want to snug the tip up with the wrench as well. Next, you attach the end of the hose to the gun, turning it clockwise, and snug out the wrench as well. Next, you open the canister, the valve of the canister, turning it clockwise all the way open. Now your gun and hose are hooked up to the canister and it's open and you're ready to spray.